Nyinawamumbi Health Services is one of the most affordable health facility located at the heart of Kawangware.
I am Sister Scholastica Kaveni, a missionary sister of the Precious Blood. Nyinawamumbi Health Services was begun in 1963. We offer quality services focusing on our motto, which is, we treat but God heals.
Many people love this facility and the services that are offered here with well-qualified health practitioners who are passionate of the work that they do.
I'm Sister Catherine Kaole, a missionary sister of the Precious Blood. I work here at Nyinawamumbi at the reception and cashier desk. We offer quality services, and as well you can pay via MTIBA, as you can see, or you can pay using M-Pesa or Equity pay bill. We welcome our people, those who are around us, to come and experience the services that we offer. Welcome to Nyinawamumbi and try us.
We offer quality services like mother and child health care, antenatal clinic, which we offer twice a week.
Mothers appreciate this facility because those serving them do this work with dedication, for they know that through serving their patients, they serve God.
Habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Sawa, karibu.
Asante.
Saidie kitabu yako ya kliniki. My name is Dominic Duiga. I am a nurse. I work here at Nyinawamumbi Health Services. Basically, I'm here in MCH department, whereby we offer antenatal services, postnatal and cervical cancer screening. We advise the mothers on nutrition, that is the diet, about the danger signs in pregnancy. Then we check for the developmental progress of the children. We screen for UTI, treat it basically after finding, when we realize that you have an infection, we treat the UTI. Afterwards, you are told to come here at the ANC clinic. We check the fetal hearts and the developmental progress of the child. And we encourage mothers, especially in this Kawangware ward, to come here at our facility because we are very quick and our services are very effective. We have competent people, other staffs who we work here with.
We also offer other services like laboratory services, ultrasound that is modernized daily at a favorable cost. which can be affordable for all people at all levels of life.
The lab services are offered by competent personnel who ensure timely services to all.
I'm Maureen Robina. I'm a lab tech at Nyina wa Mumbi Health Service. We do so many tests. Like we do ANC profile to start with. We do hepatitis B, blood grouping, urinalysis, HIV, HB, blood level, RBS, which is random blood sugar. That's what we do for ANC services. The lab, what we do again, apart from the other side of antenatal services, we do H. pylori antigen, salmonella antigen, brucellosis, rheumatoid factor, full hemogram, and malaria. This is a full hemogram machine. When we perform the test here, then we print the results here. And these are our biochemistry machine, where we do failure tests like calcium, UECs, and lipid profile. And this is our mixer, where we mix our reagents when we are doing brucellosis and arthritis, RF, rheumatoid factor. And this is our centrifuge, where we centrifuge our blood when we are doing brucellosis, when we need serum for brucellosis and rheumatoid factor. And we also do centrifuge urine, so that we may get the deposit for microscopy.
My name is Dr. Mutiel. I'm a sonographer at Nyina wa Mumbi. Sonography is an examination whereby we perform sonographic examination to clients on various examinations. We have obstetric examination, we have medical examination, we have vascular examinations. In obstetric examinations, we usually perform exam on clients who are expectant mothers at first, second or third trimesters. Whenever they come after performing the exams, we usually tell them the position of the fetus, the well-being of the baby in general. When a patient comes for medical exams, he or she might come with complaints of abdominal pains, abdominal examination. We perform abdominal examination to detect what could be the cause of those pains in the abdomen. When we do this exam, we analyze the organs and whether they are in good condition depending on the complaint of the patient. In future, we are planning to do a full cardiac exams.
We also offer services of the eye clinic, which is done weekly.
So read for me, sister.
That is N, X, P, P, N.
Good, good. My name is Cyprian Ikamati. I'm an OCO cataract surgeon. My area of specialty is eye care. Karibu Nyina wa Mumbi Health Center Eye Clinic. Hiki kifaa twakiita Snellen chart, na hii chart inaitwa a letter chart for 10 feet. So hii ndio tunatumia tukiwa kwa room ndogo. Tuna ingine inaitwa standard eye chart ambayo tunatumia mgonjwa akiwa 6 meters from the chart. But this one, the patients read when they are 10 feet from the chart. Na kila njicho inasoma one at a time, ili tujue uwezo wa hilo njicho kuona. Kwa hivyo tukiona njicho lako linaona hizi za juu peke yake, tunajua hapo kuna shinda. Kwa sababu under normal circumstances, a normal eye should be able to read the lowest line when this chart is 10 feet from the eye.
The eye clinic offered in this healthcare facility helps the patients in this area of Kawangware a great deal, saving them their time to go far off places to look for eye clinic services.
Why we examine one eye at a time is because eyes see differently. Utaona kuna mtu ambaye njicho hii inaona vizuri lakini hii ingine haioni vizuri. There are patients who come to us complaining that computer lights are disturbing their eyes, and whenever they are on computer, their eyes are tearing, and they cannot tolerate that light despite the regulation of light from the, using the computer knobs. Still that minimum light disturbs their eyes. So this is called photophobia, fear of light. The eyes do not tolerate normal light, and such people are advised to use photochromatic glasses. It's just spectacles which sense light, and when they sense light, they earn the color. So when they are dark, the rays of light that pass through that lens into your eyes is minimized. Another thing with the computer, there are people who gaze on computer throughout the day. And you know, if you are gazing on something, the rate of blinking is reduced. And it is blinking that spreads tears over your eyeball. So when you reduce the rate of blinking, because you don't want to miss some details on your computer, the eye stays open for a longer time. And when it stays open, there is a lot of evaporation. And if the tears evaporate, you also develop dry eye syndrome. So these people are advised to use something we call Rule 20-20-20. Rule 20-20-20 means whenever you gaze on your computer or any near work for 20 minutes, try to remember to look away 20 feet for around 20 seconds. I've talked about 3 20s. 20 minutes of near vision, 20 feet away, you look for 20 seconds, 20 feet away. That time when you are looking away, you are giving your eyes time to blink and to spread the tear film. So always observe Rule 20-20-20 if you are a regular user of a computer or a phone or any near work.
And then we also have gynecological clinic, which is done monthly, which actually favors all women, and all women are most welcome to our services because they can be attended to at a very low cost. We also offer a natural family planning services, as we are a Catholic institution and we value life. And
for something to work, you have to have the commitment. You have really to work for it. Yes. And that's why we really need the couple. For me, I've been using it for more than 25 years, and I can see the benefits. My name is Philomena Mwigwa. I am married. I am a mother of four daughters, and I've been working here for quite a number of years. And basically, what I normally do here, I am a teacher, trained teacher, natural family planning teacher, and also I have done counseling, the psychological counseling. I have been counseling clients who have been wishing to do natural family planning, who have complications, because literally we are the Catholic faith, and we believe in natural family planning. We encourage when the clients are coming, they have to come as a couple, because we believe that the natural family planning is for both the wife and the husband. If the husband is not there, I think we can book for another day when he is available. When do you think he will be available?
I will not assure you on the day, but we'll go and discuss about it as soon as possible.
I have seen success with those who cannot achieve, because literally when you are talking about the natural family planning, we advise those who are unable to conceive because of one problem or another, and after undergoing some tests and some investigation, most of them, they are able to achieve the pregnancy.
They have a well-stocked pharmacy and enough drugs to cater for their patients, as Sister in Charge elaborates.
My name is Sister Leah Tilisho, Missionary Sisters of the Precious Blood. I work here as the in charge of this clinic. I came here 2015. The department I'm standing now is the main pharmacy. These are some of antibiotics we have up to here. Antibiotics, they treat infections, all bacterial infections, like upper respiratory and other infections. We also have cough syrup, this section. When somebody comes with upper respiratory coughing, we use this medicine to eradicate the cough. Some of them are sedative, they make you sleep. Here the injectables. At times you want to give injectable when the patient cannot swallow or the infection is too high. We also have medicine for drops and ointment for eye. So they are here. And these are some of ointments we treat, like a painkiller to alleviate the pain, muscle pain, and so forth. We have also prednisolone, is antihistamine. Salbutamol is also for upper respiratory. When somebody is encountering difficulty in breathing, it helps. This Piriton, chlorpheniramine, on the other way, it is also antihistamine. They work together. What is here? These are folic acid and the IFAS. This is for pregnant women. We have them, they come, so they have to take this to prevent anemia.
A good population of those living in Kawangware visit this facility because of its affordability to all.
Here we dispense medicine. When the patient comes to pharmacy, we identify the patient by name, and then we get the prescription from our system. Then we issue the patient with the medicine and give instructions on how to take the medicine.
In addition, we also offer counseling services for all people of all different ages, for young people, adults as well, knowing that people have different issues. So all these services we offer despite of what age one is.
If you're seeking for a better health care facility for yourself or your family, look no further than here at Nyina Wamumbi Health Service, as Sister Scholastica emphasizes.
We welcome all people to come and get their services in our institution at Nyina Wamumbi Health Service.
Nyina Wamumbi Health Service, the center of excellence and compassion.